Hey guys, my name is Ankita. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you some of my favorite red lipsticks. Obviously, the holidays are right around the corner and wearing red lipstick is a staple. So here are some brown girl friendly red lipsticks that work best for my complexion. So these are the 4 lipsticks and 1 lip pencil that I feel are really good reds for my skin tone. I'm wearing this Elizabeth Arden True Red No. 2 lip pencil. This is all I'm wearing right now, just this lip pencil, and I kind of blended it into my lips. I'm wearing this as lip liner for all of the red lip shades. I think this is a really nice red, and it's just like a very classic red. First lipstick is by MAC. It's called Anything Goes, and it's a Velvetese lip pencil. This is like as classic as you can get with red. It's just a very nice bright red color that I think is like a very Christmassy color. It's like the red that you think of when you think of red and green for Christmas. I'm going to apply that. I really like this shade because I think the formula is very smooth and it's exactly how it sounds. Like it's a velvetese lip pencil and it literally feels like velvet. It's very hydrating and kind of feels like wearing a chapstick that's red and very pigmented. So I really like this. It's very bright and refreshing because usually I wear a lot of burgundy or darker red shades, but I really like how bright this color is and how it still looks nice with my skin tone. So here's a swatch on my hand. This is also such a nice stage red. Like I also dance and this is like such a nice red I would wear on stage because it's so bright. So the next lipstick that I'm going to go in with is one of my personal favorites, and it's this lip shade by NARS. This is the shade Cruella, and it's also a velvet matte lipstick pencil. Obviously you can tell that I've used it so much because it's so small. I'm going to start with lining my lips again with this Elizabeth Arden lip pencil in True Red No. 2. So here is the NARS lipstick. So this one's my favorite. I tend to shy away from reds that are super bright, even though they look really nice when you wear them, but I just really like the darker and deeper red tones. So once again, this lip pencil was also super smooth because it was their velvet formula, and I feel like the velvet lipsticks or lip pencils go on so smooth on your lips. So this also feels like I'm wearing chapstick. And it feels like lightweight. So yeah, this basically had the same formula as the MAC one, except that it's just deeper, because they were both the velvet formulas. This next lipstick that I'm going to show you is the Kylie Jenner lipsticks. It's the shade Gorge from the KOKO collection. So this one is a matte liquid lipstick. So once again, I'm going to start by lining my lips. So it's definitely very important to line your lips when you're wearing a liquid lipstick, especially hers, this shade, or like this formula in particular, because it's kind of runny. So I would definitely line your lips before wearing this. So this liquid lipstick dries matte. A little goes a long way. So I like this color because it's also very deep red. It's like a transition between a red and a berry tone. So like between those colors. So I just like that it's dark and deep. The formula for this is also very soft, and I think it's the combination with the brush. The brush they use is just so soft on your skin. So it feels really nice. I like that this dries matte and it dries fairly quickly too. So for this final lipstick, I'm wearing a liquid lipstick. It's also by MAC. It's called Versicolor Stain in the shade Resilient Rouge. This is a very interesting formula because it's very glossy, unlike all the other ones which are more like velvetese or matte lipsticks. And you can see what it looks like close up. So this shade is more red with a little bit of pink in it, unlike the other ones. I love the shine that this red gives off. You don't have to wear any lip gloss or anything on top of it, and it's just very pretty and shiny. And it feels very hydrating. It doesn't feel sticky or anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this kind of video. I had so much fun sharing with you my favorite red lip shades. I tried to include a broad spectrum of like the classic reds, the medium deep red, the matte shades, glossy shades, and the pink reds and the berry reds. Anyway, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye! Happy holidays!